So this is it, folks, time for the giveaway. So as you may have heard, All Dogs Off-Road and myself have teamed up to give you guys a new suspension kit for the 2nd gen Nissan Xterras. This kit includes All Dogs Off-Road springs for the front, Adelifes for the rear, Bilsteins all the way around, and new lower control arm bolts to get everything in alignment. If you want to see the full details of the kit, head to the description below. I went ahead and put a link down there over to the All Dogs Off-Road website. Also in the description is the link to go enter. So you can head to rtcg.tv/giveaway, and there you're gonna, again, learn about the kit, and there's gonna be a little form there you can fill out to enter. Only one submission per person, so no need to endlessly enter each day, and there's only gonna be that one submission form. We're only running this to the end of March, so at the end of March 31st, we're gonna be shutting down the submission, so make sure you head over there and enter. Be sure to subscribe to the All Dogs Off-Road YouTube channel as well as Ride the Car Guy to keep updated and to find out who won. So again, to enter and to read all of the official rules of the giveaway, head down to the link below. Good luck, guys.